What's the meaning of acellular? Acellular. 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 Acellular means without cells. It can be used to describe a tissue, organism, or vaccine that does not contain any cells. Acellular tissues are often found in fungi, and they can also be found in some bacteria and algae. Acellular organisms are very simple, and they do not have any of the complex structures that are found in cells. Acellular vaccines are made from the proteins or other components of a virus, but they do not contain any complete virus particles. Acellular vaccines are often safer than traditional vaccines that contain whole virus particles. Here are some examples of acellular things. Acellular tissue. A fungus's mycelium is an example of an acellular tissue. Acellular organism. A virus is an example of an acellular organism. Acellular vaccine. The acellular pertussis vaccine is an example of an acellular vaccine.